Whenever we sign up online, there is something that we always encounter. One of the most common things found online is Captcha verification. Well, almost every website and application has its own Captcha verification. Captchas are means or ways that the internet uses in order to ensure that we are indeed humans and not bots. You might feel bothered by Captcha verifications, but what if I told you that there is a way to monetize it? You heard it right. For this video, I will teach you how you can make money from dealing with Captcha codes. Do not worry, this is not a complicated method because you will be able to do it as easy as counting 1, 2, 3. All you need to do to understand this online money making strategy is to watch this video until the end. Stay tuned and do not skip out anything so that you can understand everything and start your own money-making journey. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now I will teach you how you can earn money online. First, you need to proceed to the website called MegaTypers.com. The website can be summarized into these 4 words found on their homepage: easy job, easy money. MegaTypers is a workforce management company platform that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. This platform is committed to support their clients' digitalization requirements by converting scanned papers into digital documents that can be edited or revised. Aside from that, they offer image-to-text recognition, transcription of voice records to texts, and visually impaired assistance services. It may sound quite overwhelming and serious, thus I will break it down into digestible chunks for you. Basically, this is a website that helps and offers services and programs that will aid in the digitalization of the world. They also provide services that improve internet security. Aside from that, they can make a client's life easier by providing paramount help to all users in need through working efficiently and effectively. Now, you might be asking how you can make money out of MegaTypers. You do not need to go anywhere to understand them because it is already stated on their website. They are looking for typers who have a stable internet connection, gadgets, and proficient typing skills. They are looking for people who can type at least 10 words per minute. Now, I think that this is an easy requirement. Personally, I can type more words than that per minute. Of course, I believe that you can do the same. You can even type more words than I do. Do not worry because this method will surely work for you. The work hours that they are offering are very flexible. Thus, you can perform these tasks wherever and whenever you are ready. Of course, there would also be bonus rewards for people who can type more proficiently. The first thing we need to do before starting our online money-making journey is to sign up on this site. To do this, just click the sign up button at the upper right portion of the page. You will get redirected to another page where you will be asked about your basic information. Just fill out the necessary fields in the registration page. Input your email address and have a unique password. You also need to include your name and the payment method that you prefer. I recommend that you use PayPal because of its convenience and easy-to-use interface. Once you already have your chosen payment method, you will not be able to change it anymore. Now, there will be an invitation code. For this, you need to open another Google tab and search for a MegaTypers invitation code. Once you get one from the results, you will just need to type it out on the application form. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the page. Some of the rules that they have is the prohibition of using third-party software. The accounts of people who will be found using a third-party website will be suspended. They will also not get paid. Just check the box when you agree with this rule. After that, you also need to fulfill the Captcha verification. Once you are done doing everything, you can just hit the submit button. You will be welcomed to your new account and you will see your own dashboard. You can now see your own dashboard. After that, I want you to proceed to the Typer Solver section. Clicking this section will redirect you to another page where you will be introduced to the overall Typer Solver program. Typer Solver program is a desktop application that will allow users to acquire images in a fast manner. It would also allow users to get higher paying images. Now, everything that you need to know about this application can be found on the page. It contains the frequently asked questions, so just browse everything until you finally understand what this application is all about. You might be asking, what is the point of having this? Well, using Typer Solver will allow you to get faster images that will pay you at a faster rate, such as puzzle captchas and smart captchas. Now, you can earn an extra 150% just for solving some smart captchas and puzzle captchas on this application. This platform is really amazing. They will pay you real money for doing something so simple. Because of this, I urge you all to grab this earning opportunity and earn the most out of it. Now, I encourage you to start download Typer Solver on your computer now. After that, just open it and wait for a while until it runs. Once the setup is finished, let us try to download the software. To do this, just scroll up on the website and look for the Download Typer Solver button. After that, press it and the download will begin. Once it is done installing, you can just click the software icon and you are good to go. The first step that you need to do is to sign up with your email and password. Just a reminder, please do not forget the login credentials that you came up with earlier. After that, click the login button and you will be redirected to a blank page. Just press start and another window will come up. What you need to do is to finish and do all the Captcha puzzles. Once you are done with it, another set of instructions will come up. You just need to follow the directions that they are giving you. Make sure to read everything and follow it religiously so that everything will run smoothly. Do not worry, as more captchas will be provided so that you can accomplish more tasks. This application will also allow you to answer some smart captchas. You just enjoy the process and take as much time as you need while answering them. You can make it more fun by playing some music while answering these Captcha codes. It's very easy and accessible. Thus, you should try it now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.